with it. We are really here with it. I gotta start. Yo, my skin is like tearing itself apart. So let's get this skincare going. Okay. Already did her skincare today, but like my skin just be so dry that like right now I'm having to do it again. So this is too watery. Like, do not get this. Eat it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is retinol renewing double serum, whatever the fuck that means. I'm about to do my eyebrows next, so I'm trying to debate like, why am I even really putting this on for real? Actually, what the fuck? We're gonna go with a little bit of oil for some protection. This is rose oil. I love rose oil. I use this in like my rituals, my beauty rituals. This strikes the love and all that. How I do my eyebrows. This is so thin there. And I just bought some Q-tips. I'm so excited for this, y'all, because I'm about to look like such a freaking baddie. I'm still your daddy. I'm just playing, y'all. I got a man. You're lucky because your father is took. I'm not gonna steal your dad. No, sorry. Just doing it fast as shit. Don't do this as fast as me, y'all. Don't. This is not a tutorial vid, but don't do it so quick. Okay, bitch, I just said this wasn't a tutorial and proceeded to act like this was a tutorial. So let me shut my black ass up. I just let it sit. I think this is where the marks start to come. And I just be letting it happen. Shit. I'm gonna wipe this shit right the fuck. My shit burning, bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why it's burning so, and I think it's because of that fucking retinol I just put on my face. So hopefully it's not having some crazy ass chemical reaction right now that causes like my eyes to slide off. Like I wouldn't want my eyes to slide off. That would be like crazy. Don't do this, y'all. Just go get your fucking eyebrows done, bitch. This at-home shit is not for me. Yes, it is, bitch. I'm actually the at-home queen. I'm just retiring. Do y'all notice a difference or not? Do y'all notice a difference or not? Like, oh my gosh. Wow. The brows are eating.
The brows are eating the rest of my face, suctioning it into the void like a black hole, but it's a black line. So I got two halves of the face sucking in and coming back out, rebirthing into the glow that we have today.
I need to moisturize my fucking brows before my shit falls off. Ooh, that hurt. Is that blood? Possibly. Now I got this coconut oil moisturizing cream. She's cute. I just know it works good. So yeah, and that's definitely about to cool down that forehead. I'm gonna call my man in a second. What is you doing, boy? Ooh. Ooh. This shit hurts. Oh my fucking gosh. This shit is burning so badly. What the fuck? By the way, I already see hella burn marks coming in. I think that was the last time we doing my eyebrows like that. Even though this is like the 20th time, I think this will be the last fucking time, bitch. I'm about to listen to subliminals while I pluck my eyebrows. If you don't know subliminals, rewire that subconscious mind. I have subliminals that I make. So I'm gonna go listen to them. So if you want to listen to them too, they're on my page in the playlist subliminal section. And they're on my page. Just look through. Wow, this looks great. Now, I'm gonna do my oil. And then we're about to be done with skincare right now. Once again, this is the oil that I'm using on my face currently. I'm gonna use a little bit of this and I'm gonna use a little bit of, where is it? I think it's going now. Hold on. And this soaks into my skin and moisturizes this and hydrates my skin so freaking well. Like, oof. The skincare in the brows was a glow up in itself. Even though we have a bit of damage to the surface, we're still eating, baby. We're still eating, baby. So now y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go ahead and do this wig, and I'm finna start me a little TikTok, some other content real quick, since I look a little bit more decent. So this is this is what we're working with, okay? This is what we have. This is what we will use. Okay, go talk about we don't know. Ooh, this is sickening, actually. Hey, first, I gotta lower this pony. I usually just throw my shit in the pony. Honestly, like I just throw my shit in the pony. My hair is growing so freaking long. Like I was just bald-headed. Like I was just bald-headed. And now I have like a full head of hair. Full head, baby. Cause I do this. Now let's spray some detangling spray in here. Some shit, bitch. We can't just throw her like up under the wig like that. We can't just throw her up under there like go do her like this, man. Oh shit. Make sure you moisturize your hair before you throw it in any style, okay? Or deep condition it or something. Now we're creating a successful low ponytail. Bruh! This is where the voiceover starts because they want to play music and I'm not getting copyrighted. Love you all. Enjoy the video. I love y'all so much, for real. And we almost at 10K, so please help me get there, y'all. Even saying that, I be like tearing up. Is this raw skin or this makeup for my wig cap? Raw skin. Is she eating, grow up? Clock this shit right here. Hold on, bitch. Wait, I'm gonna fix my hair. We doing the nails. I just removed off all this nail polish. Just on my god. She's so cute. You know the nails I put on. New, cute, grown, sophisticated. That's how I feel. I feel like I should do some edges, but like I don't know. Here is the finished look. Did some edges. The lace isn't the absolute best, but baby, I am the absolute best, so duh.
I don't play with that hoe, she act childish. I can tell